lot of energy, and this is what I get of wanting to go to sleep on top of the mountain. But there's no view right now. It's all fogs. Aw, I have no food. Hi. So beautiful. Nice. Wow. I'm so blessed. A Swiss horse. And here's another one. And they're so nice. Hi. Hi, pretty. Oh. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you're here. You know what? I've been wanting a horse to go up here. Because I'm tired. You're so beautiful. Bye-bye. It's nice to see you. Oh my God. Hi. I love it. Oh, you love that? There, I'm finally here. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I'm finally here. Whew. So today is my 10th day in Switzerland, and I'm in Schäfler. I slept here last night. This is my bed, and there's another one there, and a lot of bed there, but I was by myself here in this room, and the only view I got is that right there, just the mountain. And hopefully the rain will stop and the clouds will move away so we get the better view. I still want to see the Seealpsee, then going back in this way. See you later. So from time to time, there are ropes here, so of course I am taking advantage of it because there are trails on top, that has no rope, so I have to hold on those grass or rocks on the side or crawl a little bit. Yeah, I still have a long way to go down, but I just love adventure. I think it's so much fun to go down here. So I'm gonna keep more loose rocks. Never ending of these loose rocks. This is the craziest hike I ever decided. Hopefully when I get there it's gonna be rewarding, because it's been 3 hours now. I still need to go down some more.